Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting information about the conversion between tablespoon to cup. So here's the answer for that. So 1 tablespoon equals 0.0625 cup. That's a very important information. So if you want to know, if someone asks you how about 10 tablespoon, right, that's very bad handwriting. I write it using mouse pad, so it's supposed to be bad. Alright, so 10 tablespoon convert to cup, it equals 0.62. Sorry, this is very bad handwriting. Cup. That's a cup. So when you put 0 here, so 1, 10, and you just need to move a point here, okay, because we have 0 plus here, we lost 0 here and we put 0 here, so that's the mathematical law. And this tablespoon equation is American standard. Maybe it would be different in some other countries. Alright, I think that's all the answer. If you found this video is very useful, please click like and subscribe by clicking this subscribe button. And if you think this video is worth to share, you want to help your friend with some problem they have that maybe the answer will be this video, then just click on share button. You can share it through WhatsApp, to Facebook, Twitter, or even Google Plus. Anyway, that's all for me. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video tutorial. Goodbye.